Hi, Tima here with the last product update of the summer. This month we have made it easier to find the right slides, and we have prepared a helpful tip from our customer success team. First, you can now filter using multiple categories at once. This gives you a much faster and more flexible way to search the library. Combined with tags and keyword searches, it helps you get the right content in just a few clicks. Multiple categories can now be selected when filtering the slide library, making it much easier to narrow down results and find specific content quickly. Let's begin by navigating to the slide library and looking at the categories. As you can see, there is a wide range of categories such as best practice, company introduction, sustainability, all services, and so on. In the past, you could only select one category at a time. Now, we've enabled the select multiple. For example, let's select all services and risk and mitigation. Notice how the number of slides within the category changes, showing you exactly how many relevant slides are in your selected categories. This new feature functionality allows you to combine categories with other labels, such as subcategories or tags, and even the search bar. Let's say you're looking for the slide about air freight. You can combine your category and tag filters with the word search to find exactly what you need in seconds. These new filtering capabilities will significantly improve your workflow, enabling you to find the content you need in a matter of seconds. For this month's tip look, one of our customer success managers will show you how to use the dynamic actions.
Hey, I'm Luke, a customer success manager here at SlideHub, and today I wanted to show you how to use our dynamic actions when you're building your presentations. So dynamic actions is when you can play around in a much quicker way with assets such as icons. So you can replace icons quicker and then also swap them. So to start showing you that, if I go and include an inspiration slide, I can go here. I can look in funnels, and then I can choose this slide. I can click adjust and insert, and then that pulls it against the company colors of the demo account, Acme Logistics. And we have 5 points on the inspiration slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with different icons in here. So if I now wanted to replace the selected icons, I can highlight one, and this one on the left. At the top right, a dynamic action appears and it says replace selected icon. I can click on that and then it goes straight into the Acme Logistics icon library. I can replace it with air freight. If I wanted to do the same for this one, I can just go in and I can make that ocean, for example, and so on and so forth. You can just easily press a button and that saves you time overall across your icons. Now, let's say I wanted to change the order of the icons. So I wanted to have the airplane on the second one and then the boat on the first. All I simply have to do is highlight both of them, and then what appears is swap two selected shapes. So I can just move them across like this. So just very small, very simple, but very effective ways of just increasing the productivity output of you building slides and building presentations. Thanks for your time.
That's all for this month's update. We hope these improvements make your work even smoother. And remember to join our next product update webinar on October 2nd at 2 p.m. or 10 p.m. Central European Time. We'll share upcoming features and answer questions live.